there, welcome to Wellbeing Wednesday. This week I would like to talk to you about language patterns and specifically about how we can use the word when effectively. So you cast your mind back to the session on reframing buts. You'll remember that word order and the way that we cue things up has an impact on the quality of our communication and what we're likely to get. The same thing goes with using the word when. So put really simply, if I put two things together, a desirable activity and a necessary task, I'm more likely to complete the necessary task because I'm motivated by the desirable activity. For example, when I finish servicing my bike, I'm going to go for a really nice ride, which assumes that it's not raining by the time I finished it, which is highly likely because I've just said that. So there we go. If you find this language-based stuff really interesting, then I would suggest doing some further reading. Have a look at the NLP in the Northwest webpage. There are some online courses on there that you can access from home. Some of them you need to pay for, some of them are free. If you look for the meta model, another great thing to look into if you're interested in the power of language is clean language. Type it into Google, see what happens. Thank you very much. I will see you next week.